In the previous lesson, we introduced the car keys and the principles of car key programming. I believe everyone now has a basic understanding of car key programming. In this lesson, we officially begin the course. Lesson 1. Learning how to make mechanical keys. First, the tools required to make mechanical keys. General tools, blank key blanks. There are many types of blank key blanks. Choose according to your needs. Cutting equipment includes automatic key machines, CNC key machines, manual key machines, horizontal milling machines, and vertical milling machines. If you have the original key, no extra tools are required. In the case of no key lock opening tools, quick opening tools, Lishi 2-in-1 tools, single hooks, airbags, and steel wires, tools for removing the lock cylinder, screwdrivers, plastic pry tools. Adding a key within a mechanical key is available. Core logic. Use the original key as a template to accurately copy the cards without dismantling the vehicle or decoding. The CNC machine supports both vertical and horizontal milling functions. In this demonstration, we use a Volkswagen Bora key as an example. Turn on the CNC machine power to start operation. Click the vehicle database and select by model. This key is for Volkswagen Bora. Follow the device prompt to check the A or B side of the M5 clamp. The device indicates selecting side B. Place the original key into the clamp and secure it firmly. Click Key Decoding to start scanning and reading the cards. Original key decoding completed. Then insert the new key blank and start cutting. One side is completed. Clean the ray, flip the key, and cut the other side. Both sides of the new key are now cut. Proceed with testing. The lock cylinder turns successfully. This completes the process of adding a key using a CNC machine when a mechanical key is available. Horizontal milling machine. Let's first get familiar with a horizontal milling machine. This is the auxiliary lighting button. This is the power switch to start the machine. Two fixing knobs are used to secure the key in the clamp rotating pressure wheel. Adjust the cutting depth by setting the depth of the original key positioning pin. The rotating handle on the right controls the left-right movement of the cutting table. Shoulder alignment positions the side groove of the key. Working with auxiliary positioning tools for accuracy, tip alignment positions the head of the key and requires an extra positioning pin, usually placed on the far right of the clamp. Push the key head against the positioning pin. Clamp the key, remove the pin, and tip alignment is complete. Align the target key the same way and adjust the cutter to the correct depth. Hold the handle and bring the key close to the cutter to cut. Return after one pass. Repeat the cutting once more to ensure accuracy. Finally, flip the key and cut the other side. Cutting completed. The new key turns the lock cylinder successfully. Vertical milling machine. There are three types of vertical milled keys. Let's first get familiar with the vertical milling machine. The top right handle controls the cutter height. The left handle controls forward, backward, left, and right movement of the platform. The right knob at the front locks left-right movement when tightened. The left knob controls platform resistance. Tightening increases damping. The power switch is located at the bottom right. No position. Power on. Gear 1, slow speed. Gear 2, fast speed. Calibration tool. There is also a cutter and a guide pin calibration tool. When both arrows light up, calibration is correct. Based on this demonstration key, we choose shoulder alignment. Secure both the original key and the new key. Firmly adjust the gear and begin cutting. After finishing one side, turn off the power and flip the key to cut the other side. Cutting completed. matching a key without the original mechanical key. Without a key, there is one extra step compared to having a key. Opening the car door lock. Core logic: remove the door lock cylinder, read the lock cylinder cuts, then cut the key accordingly. New key testing standards. Lock cylinder turns and locks, unlocks normally. Isn't it simple? Understanding is important, but being able to do it is even more important. Pick up your tools and try making one. What else would you like to learn? Follow us and let us know. We'll continue to teach more car key programming skills and knowledge.